Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install games from a Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them on a POCO F5 Pro. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and right here try to find a game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's an icon right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture in the home page and enter settings. Reveal family and enter parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely with this switch or select apps and games, insert the PIN code and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back and look for the game, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.